In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks notify you. If you've ever missed an important to-do because it didn't ping you at the right time, this quick setup will make a big difference. We're going to use Google Calendar's notification settings because tasks and reminders surface there and use the same alert system. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing into the Google account you use for tasks. Calendar is the hub that triggers the alerts for your scheduled items, so having it open and connected to the right account is key. Look to the top right corner of Calendar for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the main preferences page where Google lets you control what gets your attention and when. In the left sidebar, find and select Notification Settings. This section controls the alerts delivered to your desktop and devices for items that appear on your calendar, including timed tasks and events. Think of it as the switchboard for nudges, banners, and sounds that keep you on track. Within notification settings, turn on the option that says, "Notify me if I have responded yes or maybe." Enabling this ensures that Google actively sends alerts for the items you've indicated you intend to attend or handle, which, for most people, includes their scheduled commitments and any tasks that show up on the calendar with a date and time. Once this is on, Calendar will prompt you at the right moment so you don't have to remember to check your task list manually. There's no save button here. Changes apply right away. A couple of helpful tips to make this work smoothly. First, make sure your browser or desktop allows notifications from Google Calendar so the alerts can actually appear. If you're using the Google Calendar or Tasks app on your phone, confirm that app notifications are enabled in your device settings. Also, if you keep multiple Google accounts, verify you're setting notifications on the same account that holds your tasks. Otherwise, you might not see the alerts you expect. That's it. By opening Google Calendar, heading into Settings, choosing Notification Settings, and enabling notifications for items you've accepted, you ensure your scheduled tasks and reminders can tap you on the shoulder right when you need them. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more reliable, stress-free workflow with Google Tasks.